Hello and welcome back. My name is Loise. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning back, thank you so much. So immediately you enter, you are in the living room. I love the tiling. I love the finishing. It has lots of socket in the living room. It has this big large window that allows lot of light during the day. And it's a good size. So that's the door area, and that door right there leads to the kitchen, and this house comes with curtain rod for all the rooms. The kitchen is an okay size. There is enough storage, upper and lower cabinet. And outside there is a balcony, also where people hang clothes. You have a corridor leading to the bathroom and the bedroom. So on your left, there is a separate bathroom and toilet. from the bathroom on your left, this is the first bedroom. It has this large window that allows a lot of light inside. Guys, I've noticed 80% of you have not subscribed. Please, guys, subscribe down below. Touch that subscribe button down below and support this mama to grow. Let us reach 500 subscribers by next week. We can do this, guys. Please, subscribe. So that's it for this video. If you have come this far, thank you so much. I do appreciate. Please give this video a big thumbs up. It truly helps this channel to grow and also this video to reach many. My next video will be my new house tour. Please turn on the notification bell to not miss out.